Konnichiwa. Nah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ha, 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 ha. Oh, Lord. It's your boy, Terrence Carter. TC Talks, TC Fitness. And I am here, back at it again, with another video for the YouTube channel. So, where do I start, bro? Happy Friday to everybody watching today's video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're a returning supporter, welcome back to another video. I appreciate y'all. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and if not, decide. I've been having so much to talk to y'all about. First thing I want to talk about, of course, is SR. Now, I feel like this energy really is like super potent, and you really do get what you think about the most. Our thoughts hold energy, and energy is a form of power that you, as a spiritual being having a 3D human experience, you have the internal power within you. It's not outside of you. Retaining your essence is honestly the key to every man's success, to meeting and becoming the best version of himself. Will you fall down? Yes. Will you mess up on this journey? Yes. Is the journey going to be perfect? Absolutely not. But in order for you to have the clairvoyance that you need, the clarity that you need in order to know what you want, you need to retain your power. This journey teaches you also how to be more disciplined. In this human experience, if you do not become a disciplined human being, you will suffer. If you're not taking care of your mind, if you're not taking care of your energy, if you're not taking care of you, your well-being, you will suffer. You will use different coping mechanisms here in this matrix to help you feel better when on the inside you are crying out for help. But you gotta remember that in this human experience, everybody is having their own experience. So yes, people can help you, but are they going to save you? No. They're not. This is why I tell you, you have to be willing to save yourself. You have to be willing to see what is stunting your growth here in this reality. It's your negative thoughts. It's probably your unsupported friends. It's your bad habits. It's you not being disciplined. It's you not being consistent in something that's going to bring you a return on investment. It's you not taking the leap of faith. So many people be scared. They be scared to try. Why? Because they be afraid to fail. You're afraid to try something that you really want to do because you don't have the internal energy to go out and do it. You worried about the quick results. But you know why you worry about quick results? Is because your dopamine receptors are fried. They're cooked. Because of PMO. Because of endless mindless scrolling. Because of a whole bunch of stuff that don't matter. When you get on SR, you reset your dopamine receptors. You give your brain a chance to rewire itself, reprogram itself. You start to look at life differently. You look at women differently. You look at yourself differently. You look at money differently. You look at this human experience differently. You pay attention to energy. You read energy on a total different level, bro. That's the clairvoyance that you need. You go from being stuck in the lower self to connecting to the source, connecting to your higher self, and it's a beautiful change. But what a lot of people fear is change. They are afraid to change themselves. I had to change myself, bruh. And every day I'm constantly changing myself, bro. Because in order for me to reach the goals that I have set out for myself, I have to become a better version of me. I gotta keep putting in the work. I have to keep on creating the version of me that I want to become. And I gotta keep on protecting my essence. Now, there's somebody out there that's gonna continuously think that watching those PMO videos is helping them become a better person. It's not. It's gonna be people out there that's gonna continuously think that it's normal. It's normal. It's nothing wrong with it. It's nothing wrong with watching PMO videos all day or throughout the day or whatever. There's everything wrong with that shit, bro. And at the end of the day, like I said, you're gonna continue to suffer and ain't nobody gonna care. The next thing I want to talk to you about, like I continuously talk to you about, is make sure that you are taking the time out to learn about stocks, learn about investing. Because this year, bro, it's a new year, right? 2024 is done. It's over with. Even though, yeah, the new year really start in the spring, cool, whatever. Okay. I get that on a spiritual level. I get it. But if you're looking at it from like a 3D perspective, on the third dimension, new plane, it'll be 2025. Happy New Year. Okay. Make sure you take this year to learn about what bad habits you had in 2024 so that you don't carry it over to this year. And make sure you take the time to invest some money. Because we have to constantly, I was just listening to this on a podcast, bro, and this is facts. This is very, very real. We have to constantly teach ourselves how to be in a state of abundance. It's your natural state. Your natural state is not scarcity, lack, not enough. That's not your natural state. That was programmed into you because of what you've seen or because of people you are around. But your natural state as a human being is abundance, bro. There is enough out here for all of us. We just gotta set our minds to it and go out and attract it. We are magnets. We are electro. Do you understand that we are made of electricity? Do you understand that we're more than just the physical body, okay? The physical body is your vehicle to get you through life. But we're more than just this. You have to change your mindset in order for you to attract what you want, what you desire. I was listening to Think and Grow Rich, and they speak about it in the book. Desire is important. You learn how to transmute your sexual energy into what you desire. And it's all going to start to make sense. You just have to put yourself in that frequency. You have to put yourself in that vibration. You got to do the inner work. Nothing outside in this human experience is going to change until you do the internal work. Until you start to feel worthy. You start to feel wealthy. You start to work on your health. You start to do it's all internal. And then the external will change. So if you have bad money habits, you need to learn how to cultivate and create positive money habits. Save more money, invest more money, and learn that money is energy. It is a frequency. It is something that they print every single day, and they will continue to print it. They create it. So you yourself put yourself in that vibration and that frequency to attract it into your life and to learn how to cultivate the skills that's going to help the money grow. Stop watching the porn. Stop releasing your seed with no care. And take back your power. That's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talk, TC Fitness. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll be back at it with some more videos for y'all.